Sweets, eh? Sweets.
Bye-bye.
Okay, made it to Sydney. It was quite a wait for our bags. Now we've got 30 minutes till our bus.
My name is George and we're off to Canberra. No more stops now, it's just a direct drive to Canberra. But first of all, just an important announcement, so please listen. The seat belts. The seat belts are fitted on the coach, so seat belts must be worn.
Let's go out. This way. This way. Come on. Come on. This way. Snoop. Come here. Snoop, come here. Snoop, out here. Come on.
Come here. Hello. 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 How are you?
Okay, so we've reached the end of the China series. What an incredible experience that was. Not only actually going to China, but also just editing it and seeing kind of the reaction on this channel. Like almost every video breached 100 views, which for a channel that's quite small, it was actually really successful. Had a couple of videos that I think are breaching 500 views, which feels really, really good. Kind of keep going at it. But yeah, incredible experience over in China. Looking back on it, it was better than like even I felt coming back, like the day I got back. Having looked back at it, editing these videos, it was like a really good travel experience. But now it's time for me to have a break over Christmas. Just get film some videos around my part of the world, Australia. Hopefully some coastal videos if the weather's as good as it's meant to be. Get up into the mountains, things like that. But yeah, thanks again for watching this series. Hopefully you'll be around for many more series to come. And yeah, final sign off. See ya.